kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my first train journey. My first train journey was a very exciting experience. I went with my family during the holidays. The train looked big and beautiful at the station. I enjoyed watching people and hearing the announcements. When the train started, I felt very happy. I loved looking outside the window at trees and fields. The sound of the train on the tracks was very soothing. I ate snacks and talked with my family on the way. The journey felt fun and full of new things to see. My first train journey is a memory I will always cherish. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.